Let's look at how we can use the lasso tool. Now, the lasso tool is really good when we want to pick up items or groups of something and move them at once. If we scroll down a little bit, this activity is a great example of that. And what we are going to do is put these in order from smallest to largest, but they're already in pairs. So I don't want to pick them up one by one. I want to pick them up in groups. Now, if you have a stylus, you just can use that straight away after we've turned on the lasso tool. If you're not, you can touch the screen or use your mouse, but we do need to click this draw with mouse or touch here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to select this first, which is our lasso tool. We're going to select the draw with your finger or the mouse. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab this first one here. So I'm drawing around it. And then I can pick up my little cursor and drag it along to the right position. So then I can then do that again for 3 and 4, drag them over, do that again for 5 and 6, and pick them up as a pair. And now they're sitting in the correct order. I want you to now have a go at that as well. Either if you have a stylus pen, do it with that. Otherwise, you can use the mouse or your finger on the screen.